And someone asked me the other day, when's the best time to invest in property? And I said, as soon as you possibly can. And I think that's the right answer for next year and to where we are now. You look at where we are in interest rates as well. I mean, we're at a historically low period in a lifetime of where interest rates are, where you can get, a 4-year fixed rate at the moment for your own place at 1.99%, which is just unheard of. If you said that to someone 10 years ago, they wouldn't have believed you. And here we are today. It's a common interest rate around that low 2s for someone that owns their own home with the right bank. And so you look at that. Also, the banks, as it says there, the banks are actually opening up their doors and a little bit more aggressive to taking on business, where it was quite tight last year. And we had the Royal Commission last year with banks and made it a little bit tighter for, on the lending process for a lot of people and serviceability. But I really do believe that there's going to be some pretty significant growth next year. And we're already seeing it now. And we've got some data to show that already, that, sort of sparked in the last quarter. And even the rental demand, we're, as you know, David, we're seeing incredible amounts of growth in the rental side of things, and up to $100 a week more on clients' properties than what they were expecting, because the demand has been huge.
That's interesting, Lloyd, and that's certainly probably wouldn't be sitting in some of those metro places where there might be some oversupply. That's in the investment areas, in the more regional areas. Would that be right?
Yeah, look, it really is spread. I mean, some of the stuff that that I've been putting clients into up in the Hunter, I was telling them they're going to get around about the $690 to $710 a week, and they were getting $790 a week. And now they're actually getting $790 a week in rent. So it's $100 more than we worked out their equations on, and that makes a huge difference to the end result. And also vacancy rates are at all-time low as well. And so there's some really good results going around, and I can see that continuing on for quite a while, because there's a few things that are scarce in the market, and one of those things is land. And so we really work hard to find the right land in the right areas for people, so they can get a great return.